Attention! Shoulder arms!
Today's ceremony. Thank you, Principal Urban, to assistant principals, faculty, and staff, teachers, and classmates for coming to our flag holding ceremony in honor of 9/11. I, Cadet Colonel J.D. Haddad, am the JROTC Commanding Officer for the 2024-2025 school year. On September 11, 2001, our U.S. soil was attacked by a group of terrorists who hijacked 4 commercial airplanes. 2 aircraft struck the north and south towers of the New York World Trade Center. One struck the Pentagon, and the other aircraft was headed for the Capitol building. Nearly 3,000 lives were lost during this tragedy. People lost their mothers, fathers, daughters, and sons. Today we share our grief as a nation. September 11th will be a day we will never forget. At this time, our Akins JROTC will perform a flag-folding ceremony in honor of all of our 9/11 fallen heroes and a grieving nation.
States of America. And my name is Lord. I fly atop the world's tallest building. I stand watch in America's cause of justice. I fly majestically over great institutions of learning. I stand guard with the greatest military power in the world. Look up and see me. I stand for peace, truth, honor, and justice. I stand for freedom. I am confident. I am arrogant. I am proud. When I am flown with my fellow banners, my head is a little higher, my colors a little truer. I bow to no one. I am recognized all over the world. I am worshipped, I am saluted. I am respected, I'm revered. I am loved, and I am feared. I have fought in every battle of every war for more than 200 years. Gettysburg, Shiloh, Appomattox, San Juan Hill, the trenches of France, the Argonne Forts, Antioch, Rome, the beaches of Rome, the drums of Guam, Okinawa, Tyre, Korea, Vietnam, the Persian Gulf, Afghanistan, and a score of other places long forgotten by all, except by those who were there with me. I was there. I led my sailors and Marines. I followed. I watched over them. They loved me. I was on a small hill in Iwo Jima. I was battle-worn and tired, but my sailors and Marines cheered me. I was proud. I was at Ground Zero in New York City on September 11th as cowardly fanatics attacked America. I was raised from the ashes of once proud buildings by brave firefighters, heroes who risked their lives to save others, showing all that America, although bloody, would never be beaten. Those who would destroy me cannot win, for I am the symbol of freedom, of one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I have been soiled, burned, torn, and trampled on the streets of my own country. And when it is done by those whom I have served with in battle, it hurts. But I shall overcome, for I am strong. I have slipped the showy bonds of earth, and from my vantage point on the moon, I stand watch over the uncharted new frontiers of space. I have been a silent witness of all of America's finest hours. But my finest hour comes when I am torn into strips and used as bandages for my wounded comrades on the field of battle. When I fly half-mast to honor my soldiers, my sailors, my airmen, and my Marines. And when I lie in the trembling arms of a grieving mother at the gravesite of her fallen son or daughter, I am proud. My name is Old Blue. Long may I wave, dear God, my God. Long may I wave.
This concludes our ceremony for today. Thank you for being here with us, and please, in your spare time today, please stop by our 9/11 memorial table in our common area. Will all cadets please report back to the JROTC classroom? Thank you. Have a good day.